They have served the dark will of Persian kings for 500 years. Eyes as dark as night. Teeth filed to fangs. Soulless. The personal guard to King Xerxes himself. The Persian warrior elite. The deadliest fighting force in all of Asia. The Immortals.
The Immortals of the Persian Empire represent one of the most intriguing and iconic aspects of ancient Persian military history. Known for their elite status, unwavering discipline, and seemingly endless numbers, the Immortals have captured the imagination of historians and enthusiasts alike. This brief episode delves into their origins, structure, role, equipment, and historical significance, providing a comprehensive view of who they were and what they represented in the context of the Persian Empire. The Immortals' roots can be traced back to the early days of the Achaemenid Empire, which emerged in the 6th century BCE under Cyrus the Great. The term Immortals comes from the Greek historian Herodotus, who provided one of the most detailed descriptions of this elite group in his work, Histories. The name Immortals reflects their constant strength. Their numbers always remained at 10,000, with replacements immediately filling any vacancies caused by death or incapacity. This constant replenishment gave the illusion of immortality, a potent psychological tool in warfare. The Immortals were a highly organized force within the Persian military structure. As an elite corps, they operated under a strict hierarchy, with close ties to the Persian king. At the top of their command structure was the commander, who reported directly to the king or his closest advisors. This close relationship with the monarchy made the Immortals both a prestigious and a trusted unit. The Immortals served multiple roles within the Persian military. They acted as the personal bodyguard for the Persian king, ensuring his safety and security. They also served as a shock force in battles and military campaigns, often leading the charge in significant conflicts. This dual role as both guard and frontline troops made them invaluable to the Persian Empire's military strategy. The Immortals were known for their distinctive equipment and uniforms. They were heavily armed and armored, a testament to their elite status. Their standard armament included long spears, swords, and bows. The spears were typically used for close combat, while the bows allowed them to engage enemies from a distance. The combination of melee and ranged weapons made them versatile in various combat scenarios. Their armor was designed for protection and mobility. Scale mail was a common choice, providing flexibility while offering substantial protection. They also carried shields for additional defense. The Immortals' uniforms were often ornate, reflecting their elite status within the Persian military. Their attire typically featured richly colored garments and intricate designs, setting them apart from regular soldiers. The Immortals played a significant role in many of the Persian Empire's military campaigns. As the elite force, they were often at the forefront of battles and conquests. Their presence was a symbol of the Persian king's power and authority, instilling fear and respect in those who opposed them. One of the most notable campaigns involving the Immortals was the Persian Wars against Greece in the early 5th century BCE. During this period, the Persian Empire, under rulers like Darius the Great and Xerxes I, sought to expand its influence into Greece. The Immortals were a key component of these campaigns, serving as the vanguard in significant battles such as Thermopylae and Marathon. Herodotus's account of the Battle of Thermopylae highlights the Immortals' role in this conflict. The battle, which pitted a small group of Greek soldiers against the massive Persian army, is one of the most famous events in ancient history. Of course you know what I am talking about, the one where the King Leonidas and his 300 bodyguards held the Persian army at the Hot Gates. The Immortals were at the forefront of the Persian assault, demonstrating their discipline and prowess. Despite the Greek forces' heroic resistance, the sheer numbers and persistence of the Immortals contributed to the Persians' eventual victory. The Immortals have left a lasting legacy in both Persian and broader historical contexts. Their reputation for discipline and loyalty to the Persian king made them a symbol of the empire's might. This legacy has endured through the ages, with the immortals often appearing in literature, art, and popular culture. In modern times, the immortals have been depicted in various media, from historical novels to movies and television shows. These portrayals often emphasize their elite status and unique role within the Persian military. While some artistic interpretations take liberties with historical accuracy, they nonetheless contribute to the immortals' enduring mystique. Khoda Hafiz.